Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? Let us find. First of all, we have to arrange the weight of the students in an ascending order, right? Therefore, first of all, we arranging the given data in ascending order. We get arranging the given data, arranging the given data in ascending order, in ascending order, ascending order, ascending order. We get arranging the given data in ascending order. We get first one is 32, then 35, then 36, then 37, then 38, then again 38, then again 38, then 40, then 42, then 43, again 43, and again 43, then 45, then 47, then 50. Right? Here you have to find the mode and median. Right? Question 1. We know that if we find the mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. Here you see that 38 occurs most frequently here. Here is the frequency of 38 is 3 and the frequency of 43 is also 3. Right? That means here there are two modes. Right? Here 38 and 43. Here 38 and 43 and 43 both occurs three times, or you can say the frequency of 38 and 43 is maximum. Here in this case is 3, occurs three times. That is the frequency is 3 for 38 and 43, right? Therefore you can say the mode of the given weights are 38 and 43. Therefore here there are two modes. Therefore you can say that mode of the given weight, 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 mode of the given weights are 38 and 43. Now we have to find the median of this data, right? We know that here n is equal to number 2 is we have to find the median, right? Here n is equal to 15, which is odd, right? Which is odd. Where n is the number of students, where n is the number of students, number of students, right? Now median is equal to value of 1 by 2 into n plus 1th observation, that is equal to 1 by 2 into n is 15, that is 15 plus 1th observation, right? Therefore we are getting 1 by 2 into 15 plus 1, that is 16. 15 plus 1 is 16 observation, that is 2 8 is 16, that means 8th observation or 8th term, 8th observation, 8th observation, right? The value of the 8th term here is 8th term, that is if you count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, that is 40. You see, we are getting 40, right? Therefore the value of the 8th term, value of 8th term is 40, right? Therefore you can say the median is 40. Therefore you can say median is 40. Median is 40, right? Now here is say question number 2, is there more than one mode? Yes, there are two modes for the given weights of the student. Yes, there are two modes. This is for question number 1, and now question number 2 is there more than one mode? Yes, there are two modes. Yes, there are two modes. There are two modes. There are two modes for the given weights. Two modes for the given weights of the student. Weights of the students. Right? Here you see, that is here. The mode is, there are two modes. One is 38, and another one is 43, because the frequency of 38 and 43 both are 3. That is maximum, right? And here n is equal to 15, which is odd, where n is the number of students. The median equal to value of n 1 by 2 into n plus 1th observation. That comes to 8th term. Therefore, the value of 8th term is 40. Median is 40. The question 2 is there more than one mode? Yes, there are two modes for the given weights of the students. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.